We're finally here today at the SwitchBot factory here, and we're going to show you guys today exactly what is going on inside here with regards to SwitchBot S10 and a ton of other SwitchBot products that we have being made here as well. If you're wondering exactly just how big this factory is, so to give you a rough idea, we have about 50,000 square meters worth of space here. Now, what does that look like? Well, as you can see here now, we're on the first floor, the second floor, a favorite floor, the third floor. We have the fourth floor, and finally the fifth floor. And we're here now on the second floor, and this is where all the magic happens. So you'll be able to see here all of the PCBA machines. We're going to take a look now and show you guys exactly what is happening. This side here, you've got some of the guys installing parts of the water station. You know, enables us to be able to automatically refill and drain from the auto refill and drain station itself as well. And behind me here is where the auto empty and dry station is being assembled, and we're going to show you now exactly what that looks like. When the auto empty and dry station has been assembled, it will be placed here, and as you can see, here are some that have already been made. And if you're feeling a little bit curious as to what S10 looks like before it's assembled, you can find out now by checking out here.